Intelligent Artificial Climate Chamber. Setting Method Description. Welcome to Use. Software Operation Interface. There are 6 functions, adjustable by pressing buttons. Continued operation, press OK to jump. Go to the runtime interface. Real-time display of operation. Countdown circle flashes, indicates that the countdown is running. Current segment, the running period. Total hours, total working hours. Temperature, humidity, light. Real-time display, press the left and right buttons to display the ambient temperature. 2. Setup process. Press the menu button to return to the home page. Switch by left and right buttons. Press OK to enter. Setup process interface. Temperature, humidity, lighting, running time can be set. Press the number keys to modify the parameters. Cursor blinks. Enter a number. Modify. After setting parameters, press OK to save. After saving, return to the home page. Long press the OK key to run. Attention! Plus in the temperature setting can be switched by any number. 3. Additional time period. After a single period is set and saved. Interface. Automatically enter the settings for the next time period. You can continue to set up at this point, or long press the OK key to run. Note that after setting, press the OK key to save. Setup complete. Long press the OK button to run in the last period. For example, set 5 time slots. After the 5th period is saved, automatically jump to the 6th period. At this time, long press the OK button to run. Otherwise, the setting is invalid. 4. Deletion period. For example, delete 2 out of 5 time slots. Set up in time period 1 and time period 2, and save it. Long press the OK key during period 3 to run. Note that only the tail period can be removed. Can't go to the middle or front. V. Modify working hours. Only hours and minutes can be modified. Temperature, humidity, and lighting cannot be modified. Modifications to the current running time. Enter from the home page. Just re-enter the running time. Press OK to save. Back to the runtime interface. You can see the modification result. 6. Process switching. The function is, from the current working hours, switch to another time slot. Home press the OK button to enter. At this interface, you can add or subtract through the left and right keys. To change the current running period, switch to the current time period required. Press the OK key to switch to a new time period. Return to the runtime interface. You can view the information parameters for this time period.